Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the OS and keyboard app support for a translator plugin. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, make sure you have Wi-Fi or the language pack already downloaded because translators often need extra data. Now open Settings, then Language and Input or Keyboard Settings, depending on your device, and select the keyboard you use. You want to enter the keyboard's configuration area. This is where add-ons or extensions live. From here, choose Add Languages or Extensions to start installing the translator component. You now locate extensions or add-ons in the keyboard menu and tap Install or Manage. Next, choose the translator module, pick the source and target languages you need, and confirm any language data downloads. Make sure to allow permissions: microphone for voice translation, network for online lookup, and clipboard for quick paste translations, because without these the translator will be limited. Once the module installs, enable it in the Active Features list, and optionally set a quick toggle or long press action so you can switch to translation mode instantly while typing. You finish by switching to your keyboard in any app and tapping the translator icon or using the configured shortcut. This enters translate mode so your typed text is converted live. Test with a short sentence, then try voice input if available to confirm microphone access. If results seem wrong or the module won't appear, make sure permissions are granted, reinstall the translator add-on, and restart the device. That fixes most state and cache issues. If problems persist, check for app updates or switch to another keyboard that supports translators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.